Umunnem Nealigodu Nanya. This road, these flyovers, Alulia within a short period of time. Can you imagine the kind of flyover, the kind of road network, the kind of ongoing road construction that is ongoing in Burkina Faso? So I'm very impressed because I expect to see this kind of massive development ongoing in West African country. And the best part of it is that now I achieve with this type of road in a very short period of time. So President Oboda na Rezibolo, I swear to God, you can imagine. Look at, you can see some drainages. See the road is very long. How many kilometers? Like very massive. I'm very, very impressed. Seriously, I'm kind of speechless to see this kind of massive road network in Burkina Faso. Like, very wow. I swear to God. Because some people, they will say that, oh, all this news that they are carrying is fake. But it's not fake. It's real. I, Mishi Place, is right in Burkina Faso to show you that all the things, not all, but most of the things that you are seeing on social media about Burkina Faso is true. It's not lie. It's true.